CHC truly faces opposition at 20 cents. Or so they by and large thought. CHC truly acquired roughly 0.2% inside the very most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. CHC United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20. Or so they especially thought. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the truly past week, acquiring 0.07% in a sort of significant manner. 04 August 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually, by and large sought clarification on some things, facts. What truly is momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, for the most part, is CHC a very wise speculation, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so forth, showing how Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to plunging essentially profound into the CHC specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us generally discuss the sort of current economic situations, showing that CHC United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20. Or so they sort of thought. Market examination over the in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,169,279,238,148, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $29,024,660,437. Essentially further appearance how CHC United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, or so they basically thought, which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level, after a vertical development of 0.4%. In an all things considered enormous way. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, which basically shows that yet prior to plunging profound into the CHC specialized investigation, basically let us essentially discuss the especially current economic situations, exhibiting that CHC United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20, which especially is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time span, which basically is genuinely critical. XRP the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP sort of is up by 0.01, and right now exchanging at 66 cents, which especially is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they essentially thought. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market especially is going in a truly descending heading for sort of present moment, or so they in a real sense thought. Right now, a fundamentally broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a quite huge manner. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize in every way that really matters, key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they especially thought. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly more exceptionally dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any all things considered further in an unobtrusive way. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which vendors explicitly become move certainly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz. CHC Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHC, in every practical sense, is at $0.077, up 0.2% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 0.07% throughout the week, which especially is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 28,812,643.00 United States dollars, while sort of complete market cap came to $548,111,066 United States dollars, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, which generally shows that, however, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the CHZ specialized examination, explicitly let us in a real sense discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, exhibiting that CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20 in an essentially enormous way. There for the most part are practically 7,108,895,988, especially are available for use out of 8,888,888,888. Showing that help by and large is a level at which purchasers truly become significantly more certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Examination for 04 August 2023, inside a kind of everyday time span, for the most part made sense of underneath, showing how there sort of are practically 7,108,895,988 in a real sense are available for use out of 8,888,888,888. Exhibiting that help really is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly more truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving kind of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to generally break down the future development of the Chilliz.The kind of relative strength record. RSI for CHZ coin fundamentally is at present floating at 28 for 14 days truly normal line, which in a real sense implies CHZ in a real sense is an oversold zone, and a pattern kind of inversion sort of is conceivable, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part shows that yet prior to jumping profound into the CHZ specialized examination, let us especially discuss the very current economic situations, exhibiting that CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA20 in an all things considered enormous way. The Chilliz essentially has truly break all its generally upholds levels and things in every practical sense are not searching all things considered great for the crypto market, which certainly shows that following generally are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ Chilliz execution.